Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the KB5 error code for Windows Update. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart your PC. That is the first thing that you guys can do. Once your PC has been restarted and it's been turned back on, what you can do is make sure that your Windows is up to date, and go ahead and open up the command prompt. From command prompt you want to enter this command, sfc /scan now. What this does, it basically just like runs your, or it like repairs Windows. So, or if it says you must be an administrator, you can just X out of it, open up the command prompt, right click on it and hit run as an administrator, and once you hit yes, the error code should fix. /scan now. Go ahead and put this error code or command in, and it will basically verify and repair any issue if you have any issues. And yeah, that should fix the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. It's a very simple fix. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.